Hello, sixth grade Avid. Welcome to Monday, November 16th. Let's go ahead and go through what we're going to be working on today. So you're going to be watching and listening to our guest speaker today. Her name is Savannah Morgan. I almost said Sarah Morgan. Savannah Morgan. And your Cornell notes are in your folder along with the video as well. So I'm going to go, actually the video is here in the slides, but I wanted to remind you your Cornell notes are in your folder. After you've watched the video of your guest speaker, remember, go ahead and fill out those Cornell notes and turn in your assignment through Schoology. Do not share with me because then I start getting too many emails and I'm flooded with emails. So please be sure that you submit the assignment. Okay, so here are, of course, your visual for your Cornell notes. For your focus note taking, we've been talking about this. And it says, don't forget to go back after the speakers finish talking and write your questions and summarize, guys. So here's your example to go by. Be sure you come up with your own essential question. Okay, and here's an example, but you're going to, delete that. Be sure you put the objective. You're going to go ahead and put guest speaker, Savannah Morgan, put your name, the class period, and today's date, November the 16th. And be sure that you summarize here on the bottom. Now, this is not the first time you've done this, so I'm confident you guys will have this completed and turned in by today. It's due today. All right, so here is a quick little summary of our guest speaker, Savannah Morgan. She is the Dragon Procurement Lead Manager for SpaceX and was part of the team that launched the Crew Dragon astronauts back in May on Falcon 9 from the Kennedy Space Center. Okay, now believe it or not, but she was a former Avid student herself. And this morning or this afternoon, she's going to tell you about a launch that happened again this past weekend that she was a part of on November 14th. It was the first time in decades America launched an operational mission with a crew of 3 NASA American astronauts and 1 Japanese astronaut. So SpaceX and NASA are launched Saturday for they were launched Saturday for a 6-month mission. Incredible. So as you go through the video, please be sure you listen with an open mind and listen very carefully, and be sure you go back and fill out those Cornell notes. And remember, we'll see you tomorrow. If anything, if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. But one quick thing I wanted just to kind of remind you about and show you in here is you have your learning log for the week. That is due on Friday. Okay, so keep that in mind. Your digital planner, you should have a copy of that already. And then, of course, those of you in class have your actual physical agendas. Here is the Cornell notes, a copy for your guest speaker. And then here is the video in case you want to watch it later if you need to for whatever reason. So again, guys, if you have any questions, please be sure to email me and I will see you in class tomorrow. Bye-bye.